So I ain't gonna lie, bro. This car too big, bro. I ain't gonna lie, you driving this shit.
Bro, you really that scared?
I'm not scared. This car is too big.
I knew you wasn't a real nigga.
This car too big. I'm not used to driving big ass cars like this. Wait, whoa!
Relax. They call this for a job.
You tripping?
You gotta run it out.
Oh my mama. See? Oh, see? See? See?
Too big, bro.
I told you. Oh, shit.
Oh! How we going that way?
Damn it.
Go through you. Yo, speed!
Oh!
Motherfucker, we too broke for this shit. We too fucking broke. How we gonna pay for this?